Welcome to Maldives. What a place, man. Heaven on earth. जन्नत है यार. देखो देखो देखो.
We are going for a crazy trip now.
We are lucky. We've captured it.
This is crazy and the cheapest we have ever got from a cruise. So we'll show you more about this.
Maldives is a must visit and highly recommended to all you nature lovers. Is a beautiful country located in the Indian Ocean. In this video, we will take you through different islands, which islands you should visit in Maldives, how to plan a super budget-friendly trip to Maldives, and an exclusive footage of Manta Ray, which is a rare find in Maldives. We were lucky to spot it. Maldives is made up of 1,000 plus small islands. Ideally, when you plan a trip with a travel agent, you get an itinerary of only 1 or 2 islands. But we planned our trip across 4 islands for 6 nights and 7 days. We boarded the Vistara UK 271 flight from Mumbai to Malé. Flight tickets ideally cost you around 15 to 16,000 individually for a round trip. It takes approximately 2 hours 30 minutes to reach Malé.
This is how exactly Malé Airport looks like.
Waterways are the major mode of commute in Maldives. You have speedboats and you have a government boat.
So I'm here in Maldives and the temperature here is around 32 degrees Celsius. This is in the month of April. Now, for all you budget travelers and you want to experience Maldives at very low cost, which you can, trust me, you need to use your transport wisely to your island and you need to use the local ferry. You've heard it right, it's by the government of Maldives, local ferry. The thing is, there's only one ferry that leaves from this terminal. We are going to this island called Mafushi for the very first time, and we are going to be taking a ferry from this place Malé to Mafushi. These are our tickets to Mafushi Island. Now, one ticket costs like 20 rupiah, so totally 40 rupiah. Mafushi 725 को निकलेगा और Malé 95 को पहुँचेगा. Only one ferry a day. If you miss these ferries, you'll have to take the speedboat, and speedboat costs you around 25 to 30 US dollars. It could go up to $40 depending on the location of your island. It could go up to 90 US dollars. But local ferry will cost you only $1 to $2 to reach your ferry. Imagine.
Good morning, very tired, day 2 in Maldives, and this is the amazing breakfast by the Sunrise Beach. Part of the package. And this is the Maldivian dish. This is fish tuna.
Maldives is a visa-free country for Indians. English is widely spoken language and people are very friendly and helpful in nature.
So this is day 2 and we are here at Crystal Sands. And very nice package that we're getting is for $40. We're trying hard to negotiate. He's saying, if you be really good and can do something less, but he's trying his level best. He's saying no, $40 per person. Damn good, guys. In this, what we're getting is हमको क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पे is a shark tour. We're getting coral garden snorkeling. It's different colorful fishes across. If you're lucky, we may get to see a dolphin. That's why it's written lucky dolphin. The dolphin is not lucky. We have to be lucky, then the dolphin Yeah, तो उसमें यहाँ पे लिखा है कि we go to Guli Island visit. Lunch मिलेगा with sandbank, natural walkway. They are also going to be giving you towels, life vest, beach umbrellas, and snorkeling, which is there, soft drinks. So
A
this
lot
is
of
all-
photos and videos.
Yeah, that's what he said. A lot of photos and videos. And $40 is per person, so it's $80 for two. अगर उसे हम convert करें Indian rupees में तो वो 6,640 rupees का ये दो लोगों के लिए होगा. If you're single, you know, जैसे मैं एक टाइम पे था, so it would be around 3,200. And yes, you can enjoy this. This is the cheapest probably we have found here. We're still trying to bargain, by the ways, and we're telling that in front of him. Wow, how cool!
Don't forget to carry Maldivian Rupaya or USD to Maldives, as you are going to live on an island with minimum accessibility to things like network and city-like facilities.
We are going for a crazy trip now. We are going to be watching sharks. We are going to be swimming with the sharks. We are going to be swimming with the fishes. We are going to be having lunch at the island called Guli Island. We are going to witness lovely nature of Maldives. All of this per person $30. Okay, and in total we are two, so $60. This is crazy and the cheapest we have ever got from a cruise. So we'll show you more about this.
Mafushi is a serene and quiet commercial island in Maldives. You will find many hotel options and restaurants to eat and shop in Mafushi. The beach water is serene and blue. Every island in Maldives has one bikini beach. You are allowed to wear swimwear only on the bikini beaches. The best experience of Mafushi are the starry nights. The entire island turns purple and pink at night, with the entire Milky Way gazing at you. We did a full day adventure trip, swimming with nurse sharks, witnessing the corals, playing with the turtles, sandbank, and much more. Fulido Island. Don't ever miss Fulido Island. It is one of the best islands in the whole of Maldives. A very isolated island, but you can see and touch sharks. You can play with stingrays at the shore of the beach. The sand is much softer, clean, with green, crystal clear waters.
Anita,
Yeah.
in the video, how are you loving this?
We love it.
Super? Yeah? You love this entire activity?
Yeah.
Full power.
We were lucky to see a 30 feet manta ray in Fulido, which is a rare sight, and it is also believed that manta ray visits the island only once a year at a specific time during Eid, and we were very fortunate to witness manta ray in Fulido.
What we are going to show you is an incredible footage that you're going to be seeing now. It doesn't happen usually, but this is something that we are lucky we've captured it. This is the Manta dance. So we are eating the traditional Maldivian food that's actually made by people of Maldives, and this is on the Eid. I think God is just giving us a treat, beautiful treat.
Malé, the capital of Maldives, is a city you can visit.
So we are in Malé. We're just like one day in Malé, and we're at this beautiful park. It's a garden called Lonu Zra Park. It's bright and lit in the night. It's green. It's a very small park, but it's beautiful, and you can just spend like about half an hour in the garden in this park and feel the nice cool breeze. It's nice. Check it out. The sound of waves, the breeze, and just the trees around. Feels like I'm in forest, but it's actually a park.
The malls and markets here, we even attended a music concert with a lot of firecrackers burning across the capital because it was Eid celebrations.
Drink from this place called Jelly Jugo Point. It's called Jugo. It's quite famous. It's like milkshake. I've taken like a chocolate milkshake, but they call it Jugo. Chocolate Jugo. Trust me, it's damn nice. It's for 15 rupiah, Maldivian rupiah, and it's amazing. It will fill your soul. Purchased these chips from a local shop, and it's made out of breadfruit. You know, it's very tasty and yummy. Like, bland, but it's nice. I think it's very good for health. That is what they all tell. It's very health friendly and very nice. So yeah.
Now comes the total expense. Our total expense for Maldives, the trip was around 1.2 lakh INR, and for the two of us, we can never ever forget the deep blue oceans, the marine life, the blessed skies of Maldives. If you plan the visit to Maldives, do you curate a customized option, spend more on adventure and less on luxury? Well, 1.2 lakh for two people was 6 nights and 7 days. Yes, I repeat, 6 nights and 7 days. Happy Maldives, happy journey. See you soon. 30 60 90 production.